Welcome to the world of agriculture, where hard work and modern techniques combine to bring valuable nutrition to humans and animals. To store livestock feed long-term, straw bales are carefully wrapped in plastic, helping preserve freshness and nutrients, and shielding them from weather effects. Harvesting straw requires precision and expertise, made easier by modern agricultural equipment. Advanced technology speeds up harvesting and packaging. Machines like the CLS variant 280 use optimized techniques to produce sturdy, uniform bales, ensuring quality feed. The collaboration between people and machines brings optimal efficiency. Skilled and dynamic farmers are the unsung heroes who contribute to high-quality products. After harvesting, straw is carefully transported to storage. Modern systems ensure the straw remains undamaged during transport and storage, maintaining its nutritional value. Straw is a primary feed source for livestock. Specialized equipment allows farmers to safely and efficiently feed cattle, supporting their health and providing fresh milk and high-quality meat for the market. Modern techniques save time and effort for farmers while ensuring optimal straw utilization, bringing economic benefits. Modern straw packaging technology helps preserve livestock feed, ensuring freshness and nutrients even in harsh weather conditions. To efficiently supply feed, farmers use specialized trailers that carry multiple bales, saving time and effort. Well-wrapped straw bales can be stored long-term, giving farmers control over their feed supply. Modern lifting and unloading systems allow farmers to easily move and arrange straw bales, saving space and creating favorable storage conditions. Straw is not only livestock feed, but also valuable for producing fertilizer. Organic fertilizer from straw provides natural nutrients for the soil, improving crop yield and quality. Natural fertilizers from straw and animal manure are safe and effective solutions for sustainable farming, contributing to environmental protection and producing clean, safe agricultural products for consumers. Animal manure is a valuable nutrient source for the soil. Modern systems for processing and spreading fertilizer help recycle natural waste, contributing to abundant harvests and environmental preservation. Agriculture is an important profession that contributes to the country's economic development and food security. With the application of technology and the hard work of farmers, we can look forward to a bright future for the agricultural industry.